Hi all, I'm very delighted to present Environment Management and Human Rights before you. I will handle Environment Management and Human Rights classes prepared in accordance with semester program of MG University. We have 3 units in first module. First unit is Multidisciplinary Nature of Environmental Studies. Let's start the session. The study of environment is a multi-dimensional activity. Environmental study includes not only the study of physical and biological characters of the environment but also the social and cultural factors and the impact of man on the environment. Let's focus on the multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. It is the science of physical phenomena in the environment. The science of environmental studies is a multidisciplinary science because it depends on various disciplines like chemistry, physics, medical science, etc. First, we have to know about some basics on environment and components. What is environment? Environment means the surroundings. Environment refers to everything around us. Yes, we all know about it. Land, water, air, plants, animals, solid waste and other things that are surrounding us constitute our environment. It is often known as biosphere. The biosphere is considered as a thin shell of many hundred kilometers of radius that covers the earth. All forms of life, both living and non-living organisms evolve and exist within the biosphere. Look at on this picture. Biosphere includes ecosystem, biogenus, population, organism, organ, tissues, cell organelles, molecules, atom, biome. The term biosphere derived from Greek means bios, life, sphere. We already studied it is the layer of planet Earth where life exists. The biosphere is one of the 4 layers that surround the Earth along with the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, and it is the sum of all the ecosystem. Biosphere is unique. So far there has no existence of life elsewhere in the universe. Biosphere can be biotic or abiotic things. The environment may be grouped into biotic environment and abiotic environment. Biotic environments such as plants, animals, bacteria, fungus, etc. And abiotic environments such as water, soil, air, minerals, light, etc. What are the natural components of environment? There is 4 layers: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. What is the combination of Earth's atmosphere? It is the composition of oxygen, carbon dioxide, functioning of wind, rain, snowfall, etc., formation of clouds, weather and climate. Just look at on this picture. Here, the percent of atmospheric gases are given. Majority is nitrogen, 78.08%. Then oxygen 20.95% and argon 0.93%. Other gases xenon, argon 0.93%. Other gases percentage are given here. Xenon, neon, hydrogen, helium, krypton, carbon dioxide also included here. What are the layers of Earth atmosphere? The layers of atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The next layer of environment is hydrosphere. Hydro means water. The definition of hydrosphere is made up of all the water and watery layers of the earth. All of the oceans, lakes, seas and clouds are examples of hydrosphere. Next, lithosphere. Litho means rock. The lithosphere is the solid shell of the planet Earth. An example of lithosphere is the Rocky Mountain range in western North America. In this session, we discussed about multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. Then we discussed about biosphere. Biosphere is the one of the 4 layers that surround the earth along with lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Biosphere is the sum of all ecosystems. Biosphere may be biotic and abiotic environment. Last of all, we discussed about natural components. atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. These four layers are natural components of environment. In this session, I expect all of you got overall idea about multidisciplinary nature of environment, biosphere, nature of components. Thank you.